Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Apollo for lead generation if you are a beginner. So Apollo is one of the most popular platforms for finding the business contacts, generating leads, and reaching potential customers more efficiently. So yeah, you'll know how to search for leads, save them, and start your outreach. Okay, so here again, Apollo is a sales, intelligence, and lead generation platform that helps businesses find potential customers. So it provides access to a large database of companies and professionals, making it easier to identify people who may be interested in your product or service. So instead of searching manually, Apollo lets you filter prospects based on different criteria, helping you find more targeted leads. Okay, now the first step is to create your Apollo account. So just use the search bar at the top, and then you just have to search for Apollo. Okay, and then after finding the website, you just have to sign up using your email address or your Google account. Now, after verifying your email, you will be taken to your dashboard. So here, you will find tools like searching companies, finding contacts, creating lists, and managing your leads. So it's time to find the potential customer. So you just have to tap on the search option at the top or the people section. Okay, that's right. Okay, now you'll see many filters that helps narrow down your search. Okay, so for example, you can filter by job title. Okay, so you just have to do that. And okay, so you have that right here. So these are your filters. Okay, so next one, you can also filter by industry, company size, the country or location, department, seniority level. Now let's say you're selling marketing software, so you could search for marketing managers working at medium-sized companies in your target country. Okay, so see for example, marketing managers, marketing managers. Okay, so you just have to search for it. That's right. And using the filters, it will help you to find leads that are more relevant to your business. So that's basically the purpose of the filters. Okay, so after that, you just have to search for the right one. You can go to access their email. You also have their contact number right here. Okay. Now, the next one is to save your leads to a list. So, once you've found potential customers, you can save them to a lead list. So, you just have to simply select the contacts you want and create save to list. Okay, so let me just do it again. Marketing managers. All right. So, for example, this one. So you have here the save option at the top. So simply tap on this one. Okay. So here, so you just have to add your company website so they can understand your business and qualify the leads. So it's very important that you have your company right here. But if you don't, then you just have to add or check the box. Now, you just have to add the company details first. So to keep the insights accurate. So your answers will be stored in your content center. You can update these anytime in settings. So for the company overview, for example, Apollo gives sales teams one place to find best fit accounts or something like that. And then you just have to describe your customer. So for example, we have here growth focus, companies looking to scale outbound, inbound, and enrichment in a single platform. Then after you add those details, okay, so we also have here the customer pain points and the call to action. You just have to tap on the save option. And of course, you can also organize your leads into different leads such as new lead, Okay, warm prospects, follow up leads, and existing customers. So, keeping your contacts organized, it makes it easier to manage your future outreach. Okay, now, after building your lead list, the next step is reaching out. So, Apollo allows you to send personalized outreach emails. Mhm. And keep track of your communication. So, when writing your message, you have to introduce yourself, of course. Okay, so here we can also go here to access your email. So, we have that. Okay, so you need to comply to the terms of service. So, I cannot really show you that since it's personal information. But again, just have to introduce yourself, explain how your product or service can help them, and keep your email short and professional, and end with a simple call to action, such as asking for a quick meeting or a reply. So, personalized messages usually receive better responses than generic emails. Now, the next one is to track your result. So, of course, Apollo helps you monitor outreach. Okay, so you can monitor your outreach performance. So you can track how many emails you've sent. Okay, so we can also go here to the analytics section. That's right. Okay, so you can track how many emails you've sent, and then the open rates, reply rates in the meetings book, and the overall campaign performance. So, reviewing these results helps you improve your outreach strategy over time. So, again, you can go here. You have your dashboard and your report section. Okay, so we try the analytics now. All right, so since our plan is not eligible for this one, but this is how it looks like, and you can actually all of those right here. Okay, so right here you also have your email section. Okay, so you have your calls, be able to see your task, and of course your win deals. So you have your meetings, your conversation, your deals, and your workflows. Okay, so you'll be able to see here your workflows. That's right. So we also have here workflow templates that we can actually use. Okay, so here we have different templates that we can use. All right, so if you want to create your workflow manually, so you have the option as well at the top right. So just simply tap on this one. Okay, so that's how you use the Apollo for lead generation. So again, you just have to create your account, search for your ideal leads using the filters, save your prospects into organized list, start your outreach with personalized emails, and track your performance and improve your result. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.